Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can swap your Solana to Ethereum. For this tutorial video, I'm going to be working with the Trust Wallet mobile app. So now, in order to swap your Solana to Ethereum on Trust Wallet, it's pretty easy. Make sure you're on the Trust Wallet app. Once there, the Manage Crypto option at the top right corner of the screen, click on this option and simply search for the token Solana. Once you found the Solana token, you could either disable or enable the token. Once you've enabled the token, please take note of the amount of Solana you have on here, as this amount of Solana is what you're going to be using to swap to Ethereum. Now, please take note that the Solana I selected is the native Solana, and this native Solana is what we're going to be using for this tutorial video. So now, in order to swap your Solana, you're going to have to send it to a centralized exchange, as most decentralized exchanges have issues when you try to swap your Solana to Ethereum. The processes get too long and you end up losing your tokens in the process, most of the times to scams. So now, in order to combat this, all we need to do is simply click on the send option. We're going to be sending our native token Solana over to a centralized exchange. And the centralized exchange I'm going to be working with for today's video is Binance. Once you've opened up your Binance, all you need to do is quite simple. Make sure you have an account on Binance. And if you do not have an account on Binance, by using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates. So guys, once you're on the Binance platform, remember we are trying to swap our Solana to Ethereum. All you need to do is click on the deposit icon. Once you've selected the deposit icon, click on the Solana option and select the mainnet as Solana. The mainnet Solana is what we're going to be working with. So simply copy this address. Once you've copied it, minimize and open up your Trust Wallet app. With the Trust Wallet opened up, paste the domain name or the address, put in the amount, click on next, have a look at your order because this is your order, and simply click on confirm. By doing this, our Solana would then be deposited directly into the Binance platform. And once your Solana is on Binance, a simple reload is all you need. Head over to the wallet section at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once there, simply scroll from your overview to your spot or funding wallet, depending on where your Solana is stored. So as you can see, my Solana is here. And now in order to convert or swap this Solana into the Ethereum, all I need to do is quite simple. Head over to the home section where we have the convert option. Click on convert. Once you selected the convert option, the drop-down that says spot wallet, click on this drop-down and select funding. Now we're going to be making use of assets from our funding wallets. Click on the meme coin, select the Solana option, select Ethereum, and simply put in the amount you wish to convert, and simply click on preview conversion and convert. Now the Solana has been converted to Ethereum. All you need to do to get this Ethereum back into your wallet is quite simple. Click on the wallet option again, do a simple reload, and you'd find that the Ethereum is on our wallet. Click on the Ethereum, click on the withdrawal option, send via a crypto network, minimize and open up the Trust Wallet platform. And once Trust Wallet has opened up, all you need to do is simply click on the receive option. It's just here. Click on receive, search for the Ethereum. We can get this Ethereum on the mainnet. So search for Ethereum, click on the Ethereum option, copy your wallet address, minimize, open up the Binance platform again, paste the address there, select the network. We're trying to get this on the Ethereum mainnet. So click here, click on max, and simply click on the withdrawal option. So by doing this, we get to withdraw our Ethereum on the main network. So do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can go about any of this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.